Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut Pro for free on PC. So there will be no crack needed. You can just do these steps if you want to get CapCut Pro for free. First, you need to make sure you've already signed into your account in CapCut PC like this. So there will be your photo at the top left corner. Now the next step to get a CapCut Pro is that you can click on this invite friends option. So just tap on this and there will be this pop-up invite friends to get free Pro. So if you invite a friend to use the CapCut Pro by using the invite link, you can get a 7-day free Pro on CapCut. So they need to install and launch CapCut Desktop from your invite link. So you can enjoy Pro benefits on both CapCut Mobile and also desktop. And you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends. No credit card required, no auto renewal. So you'll see the days of the Pro that you got and also the friends you've invited in here. What you need to do is just click on this copy invite link. The link has been copied. Now you can just share it with your friends on email, on WhatsApp, Facebook, or other social media that you use. So that's how you can get a free Pro on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.